Here's a list of some incredible record holders in the animal kingdom, each of which holds a title for an extraordinary skill, ability, or characteristic. 1. Fastest land animal cheetah, top speed up to 70 miles per hour or 113 kilometers per hour. Fun fact, a cheetah can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, faster than most sports cars. However, it can only maintain this speed for a short distance, around 20 to 30 seconds, due to its high energy demand. 2. Fastest bird, an animal overall peregrine falcon, top speed over 240 miles per hour or 386 kilometers per hour in a dive. Fun fact, the peregrine falcon's streamlined body and sharp talons make it an efficient hunter. When it spots prey, it tucks in its wings and enters a dive known as a stoop, reaching speeds faster than any other animal on Earth. 3. Longest migration Arctic tern, migration distance up to 25,000 miles or 40,000 kilometers round trip annually. Fun fact, the Arctic tern migrates from its breeding grounds in the Arctic to the Antarctic each year, experiencing more daylight than any other animal on the planet, as it essentially travels between 2 summers. 4. The largest animal on Earth is the blue whale. These magnificent creatures can reach up to 98 feet or 30 meters in length and weigh as much as 200 tons. Fun fact, the blue whale's heart alone can weigh as much as a small car, and its massive tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. These gentle giants filter feed on tiny krill, consuming up to 4 tons per day. 5. The longest-lived land animal is the Galápagos tortoise. These remarkable creatures can live for over 150 years. Fun fact, these tortoises are some of the slowest but longest-living animals on Earth. The famous tortoise Lonesome George was the last of his species and lived for over a century before passing in 2012. 6. The longest-lived marine animal is the ocean quahog, a type of clam. This incredible creature can live for over 500 years. Fun fact, known as the Ming clam, one specimen was dated to be 507 years old, named because it was alive during the Ming dynasty. This clam's incredible longevity is partly due to its very slow metabolism. 7. Most venomous animal box jellyfish. The venom potency of this creature is truly terrifying. It contains toxins that can cause heart failure, paralysis, and, well, death within minutes. Found primarily in the waters of northern Australia and Southeast Asia, the box jellyfish has tentacles covered in tiny venomous stingers. It's responsible for more fatalities in its region than sharks, making it one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. 8. Smallest bird bee hummingbird. This little marvel is about 2 inches long and weighs less than a dime. Found in Cuba, this tiny bird not only holds the title for smallest bird, but also has one of the fastest wing beats at about 80 times per second, allowing it to hover while feeding on nectar. 9. Heaviest insect Goliath beetle. This impressive insect can weigh up to 3.5 ounces. Native to Africa, Goliath beetles are hefty enough to rival small rodents in weight. They spend most of their lives as grubs, which are even heavier than their adult forms. 10. The strongest animal relative to body size is the dung beetle. These tiny powerhouses can pull up to 1,141 times their body weight. Imagine this. If a human had the strength of a dung beetle, they would be able to pull over 80 tons. Pretty impressive, right? Plus, these beetles play an important ecological role by cleaning up animal waste. 11. Deepest diving mammal Cuvier's beaked whale. This remarkable creature can dive to depths of over 9,800 feet or 2,992 meters, with dives lasting over 2 hours. Fun fact, this deep diving whale can hold its breath for extended periods, allowing it to reach depths with intense pressure where few other mammals can survive. 12. Best camouflage mimic octopus. This fascinating octopus has an incredible camouflage ability, mimicking not only colors but also the shapes and movements of other animals. Fun fact, the mimic octopus can impersonate several marine creatures like lionfish, flatfish, and sea snakes, changing its shape, color, and movement to scare off predators or sneak up on prey. 13. Loudest animal relative to size, pistol shrimp. This tiny but mighty shrimp can produce a snapping sound reaching up to 218 decibels, which is louder than a gunshot. Fun fact, the pistol shrimp stuns prey with the sound of its snapping claw, which creates a tiny bubble that collapses with such force that it produces light and a heat flash, temporarily hotter than the sun's surface. These record holders showcase the incredible diversity of life on Earth with adaptations and abilities that help them thrive in unique ways in their respective environments.